Preparing for an SQL interview can be challenging, but we are here to help. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 SQL interview questions that you need to know. Hi, I'm Zid. Let's dive into the questions and strategies to help you succeed. What is SQL? It is the most common question in interview. SQL, Structured Query Language, is a domain-specific language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. It's used to create, retrieve, update, and delete data from databases. What is database? A database is a structured collection of data stored in a computer system. It organizes data into tables, each containing rows, records, and columns, attributes. What is DBMS? A database management system, DBMS, is software used to manage, store, and retrieve data from databases. Examples include MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle, etc. What is the difference between relational and non-relational database? Relational databases. Structure. Relational databases organize data into structured tables with rows and columns. Each column has a specific data type, and tables are related through keys. Schema. Relational databases have a fixed schema, which defines the structure of the tables, the data types of columns, and the relationships between tables. Non-relational, NoSQL, databases. Structure. NoSQL databases store data in various formats, such as key-value pairs, documents, column family, and graphs, depending on the database type. Schema. NoSQL databases are schemaless or schema-flexible, allowing for more dynamic and agile development. New attributes can be added without affecting existing data. What is a primary key? A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. It ensures data integrity and allows for efficient data retrieval. Here is an example how to create or declare the primary key in SQL. What is a foreign key? A foreign key establishes a link between two tables based on a column from one table referring to the primary key of another table. Here is an example how to create or declare the foreign key in SQL. What is normalization? Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce data redundancy and improve data integrity. It involves breaking down large tables into smaller ones and establishing relationships. What is denormalization? Denormalization involves intentionally introducing redundancy into a database to improve query performance by reducing the number of joins required. What is an SQL join? SQL join is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Common types include inner join, left join, right join, and full join. What are the different types of SQL joins? Inner join retrieves records with matching values in both tables. Left join or left outer join retrieves all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. Right join or right outer join retrieves all records from the right table and matching records from the left table. Full join or full outer join retrieves all records from both tables with null values where there's no match. Cross join combines every row from the first table with every row from the second table. What is an index? An index is a database object that enhances data retrieval speed by creating a reference to the actual data. It's particularly useful for large tables. Here is an example on how to create index in SQL. What is the difference between a clustered index and a non-clustered index? A clustered index determines the physical order of rows in a table. Each table can have only one clustered index. A non-clustered index is a separate structure that contains a copy of selected columns from the table. Multiple non-clustered indexes can exist for a table. What are constraints in SQL? Constraints are rules applied to columns or tables to enforce data integrity and accuracy. Common constraints include: primary key enforces uniqueness and nonnull values in a column. Foreign key establishes a relationship between tables. Unique ensures unique values in a column. Not null prevents inserting null values. Check enforces a condition on column values. What are the ACID properties in a database? ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. These properties ensure the reliability of database transactions. Atomicity: transactions are indivisible and all or nothing. They're either fully completed or fully rolled back. Consistency: transactions take the database from one consistent state to another. Isolation: transactions are isolated from each other to prevent interference. Durability: once a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent. What is subquery in SQL? A subquery is a query embedded within another query. It can be used in various parts of a larger query to retrieve data for comparison, filtering, or inclusion. Explain the difference between a primary key and a unique key. A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table and doesn't allow null values. A unique key ensures that each value in the column is unique, but unlike the primary key, it can allow null values. What is the difference between delete, truncate, and drop? The delete statement removes specific rows based on a condition. The truncate statement removes all rows from a table and resets identity columns. Drop table removes tables from the database. What is the difference between a view and a table? A table is a storage structure that holds data. A view is a virtual table derived from one or more tables. It doesn't store data but provides a way to present data from multiple tables in a single view. What is the difference between a stored procedure and a function? A stored procedure may or may not return a value. It can have output parameters. A function must return a value and is often used in expressions. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.